Hi, I'm Tina, and I'd like to show you around Ashland, a new Ryan Homes community coming soon to Smyrna, Delaware. This neighborhood of 55 and better ranch homes offers the ease of single-story living and all of the new home features you expect in a convenient location just off of Routes 1 and 13. You'll enjoy a peaceful, low-maintenance lifestyle in tax-friendly Delaware without sacrificing easy access to Wilmington, Philadelphia, New Jersey, and New York. The kitchens are planned with entertaining in mind and feature spacious islands, 42-inch cabinetry, and professionally designed interior color palettes, which will bring your dream kitchen to life. You'll love relaxing after a long day in your spacious owner's suite. Plus, 2 other bedrooms are conveniently located off the main living area. All of our homes come included with a full basement, which you can use for storage or choose to finish it off for additional living space. And all the conveniences you need are close at hand. Take a walk through historic downtown Smyrna and meet friends for brunch at the Lemon Leaf Cafe. At Ashland, you'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a 10-year structural warranty. Want to travel? Just lock and leave. Lawn care and snow removal will be handled for you. So are you ready to live an easier life? Join the Ashland VIP list today, and we'll be sure to send you exclusive community updates and information about special VIP incentives. We can't wait to see you.